Hey Jen, here's another game. It's called Words in a Bucket. And one of my classes we were taught to organize the games that we put, like if we were doing little board games, put them in folders. And in the folder you also have the instructions. So for Words in a Bucket, you're going to need strips of paper. Abigail, can you take out some of the strips? Or you can either clip them on your folder, but it might get too bulky. So you might consider putting them in plastic bags. And I put it here in a Ziploc bag. These are sight words. So the words in a bucket, the way we're playing it is with sight words. In your adult sight words, you can get them free online. We have pre-primer, primer, we have first, second, and third. I chose to do the different levels. I chose to do them in different color paper so that the purple ones are primer. I'm doing it more for my son in kindergarten. And the orange like color here are pre-primer. So you're going to take the words and you're going to dump them in a bucket. So according to the instructions, you need... Go ahead, Mommy. Put the other ones. Or open... Let me open one up at least. Can you open up another one, hon? So this one says will... You're just going to put them, a bunch of them. You type them up. Oh, here's the bang. You type them up and you cut them. But a good thing to do, you can cut blank strips and have the child actually write each word. That's a good way to reinforce for them to learn how to read it and how to spell it. So the materials you're going to need are strips of paper with various sight words. Doesn't have to be all of them. Strips of paper with the word bang. Maybe just 2 or 3, not too many. And a bucket or a pail or any little thing that you can actually put them in. And we're going to start playing the game. Ready? So pick out a strip of paper with a word on it. The child has to read it. What's the word? R. She can keep it. Joel, can you take one, please? And if the child cannot read the word, the paper goes back in the bucket. Are you going to play? So if he can't read it, it goes back. If he gets the word bang, he loses all his words and he has to put them all back. What word is that? Can you show the camera? Do you know what word is that? Did. Very good. You can keep it. Abigail, go. So. Okay, and the game continues until someone gets the word bang. So they have to put them all back. But. Very good. Keep on.
Ride.
Just don't put the word bang back in, because if you keep on putting the word bang, go ahead, take honey. If you put the word bang in, the game will never end. So you want to be able to, once someone gets the word bang, put the word bang on the side, but put the other words back in the bucket. What word did you get? Can I see? Do. Very good. We'll just continue a few more. Was. You guys are quick. Show the camera, okay? Do you know what that is? Sound it out.
Will.
Very good.
All.
Okay. So remember, if you get the bang, put the bang on the side.
Good.
Put everything back in. Good. Can I see the word? Good job.
What?
And play continues. If you have any questions, email me.